everyone. Welcome to lesson 6 of YCT standard course. Today we are making sentences. 你的个子真高. This means you are so tall. 你的个子真高. 你的个子真高. 你的鼻子真长. This means your nose is too long. 你的鼻子真长. 你的鼻子真长. 个子 means height. 个子. 个子. 高 means tall. 高. 高. 长 means long. 长. 长. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Bye-bye.